Welcome to Webex Training, and in this short video we're going to be looking at some of the controls available to you upon starting the session. So once you open up the session, you'll see this on the screen. This is to set up your audio conference. Click on the Call Using Computer button and that will set up the audio for the session, and once you do so, it will open up the main page. So on the main page you can see everything that's going on in the session. In the top left we have a couple of tabs that say Quick Start and Session Info. Click between these two to have a quick look at the information for the session and for the Quick Start controls just there. On the right hand side you've got a number of options. So the first one is Record. Clicking Record starts the recording in the session. As you can see at the bottom of the screen now it says Recording. If you want to stop the recording, if you look right at the bottom right hand corner of the screen, there is a stop button. Once you click on the stop button, that recording will then stop. Once you stop the recording, it will upload into the recordings page on your Webex homepage. The next thing to look at is the participants area. Here it is. So the participants shows you as the host, also shows anyone else who is there as a presenter, but also as an attendee. And here you can mute and unmute yourself and other people in the session, as well as stop and start the video camera webcam so that you can see each other. If you have a look at the bottom of the participants area as we've just opened there are a number of options, and these are the participant controls. So they can raise hands, click yes or no. They can also add emojis if they so wish. You can see these coming up on the screen. You can also ask the host or anyone else to speak louder or more quietly. And if you have a look at the bottom right there's an exclamation mark. Now the exclamation mark is an attention checker. So if one of your participants loses their focus, there you see an exclamation mark comes up on the screen. You can quickly say to them, "How's things going, James?" and he'll suddenly realise that he needs to start paying attention again. Underneath this is the chat area, and you can speak to either one person at a time or you can speak to everybody at a time. You just choose who you want to speak to, type in your message and click on send. And once we take the recorder out of the way there, we'll be able to see the message that has been sent. Finally, the bottom button, End Training Session. Self-explanatory. If you want to finish the session, click on it and that's the end of the session.